Hello, I'm in a 2011 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you to adjust the display languages between English, Spanish, or French. So first, make sure your vehicle's on, so this is lit up. And then from here, depending on which screen you're on, whether it's like this home screen or another screen, we'll go to Settings, and then System. And then here on the language, it's English, Spanish, or French. Let's say we want Spanish. We'll select Spanish. And I'll go through just a prompt moment for it to update everything to Spanish. And in a moment, once this is done, I will show how to switch it back to English, since I speak English. All right, so now everything's in Spanish. So again, Settings, Sistema, and then here it's on Spanish. We'll just click the English. And that's it. Same thing, we'll just wait a few moments again and it'll be in English. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.